Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lian Duan, and I have been developer for 20 years, specializing in DevOps and cloud security. I recently built a serverless reimbursement system for a non-profit group using AWS Lambda. It was a great project and gave me an idea to make a video series to help you learn AWS Lambda, especially if you are new to it. Before we write any code, we need to talk about the three Lambda settings: timeout, memory, and concurrency. If you set this correctly, your function will run better and cost less. Let's start with first, timeout. Lambda functions doesn't run forever. Timeout is the maximum time your function can run before AWS stops it. Default value is 3 seconds. Maximum time is 15 minutes. Example for my project. One Lambda function joins several uploaded receipts as GPE, PDF, or PNG format and merge them into a single Excel file. If someone uploads large files, 3 seconds is not enough. The function will stop. The Excel file wouldn't be made, and the user will see an error. On the next slide, let's see how timeout affects the cost you pay to AWS. Even if you set the timeout to 15 minutes, AWS only charges for the time you use. For example, set 10 minutes, run for 2 minutes, you only pay 2 minutes. Run for 28 seconds with 30 seconds, you will pay for 28 seconds. Set 1 minute, run for 60 seconds, but it doesn't finish, and then AWS kick it out. You still pay 60 seconds. Here's some to remember. Check your CloudWatch logs to see how long your function usually takes. Then add about 20% more time as a buffer. You can also use the AWS Lambda power tuning tool to find the best settings. Now that we know about the time limits, let's talk about memory. When you create a Lambda function, you choose how much memory it gets between 180 megabytes to 10 gigabytes. In Lambda, more memory also means more CPU power. Think of it like a car engine. Bigger engine, faster job done. Small engine, slower or may break down. In my project, run large image files needed more memory, so it could finish quickly and no crash. Yes, more money cost, but sometimes the function finishes so much faster that it costs same or even less. Let's go to next slide and see how memory size change cost and speed. This screenshot shows how different memory size affect the price per million seconds in the US East 1 region. The different region has different price. I shared the link below, you can check by yourself. My advice, test your function using the AWS Lambda power tuning tool. It will help you find the best balance between speed and cost. We have covered how long your function runs and how powerful it is. Next, we move to how many requests it can be handled at the same time. Concurrency. Concurrency is how many copies of your function can run at once. By default, each AWS account has 1,000 currency execution limit per region. If 1,050 requests come in, the first 1,000 start right away. The other 500 requests wait in the queue. If the queue is too long, some requests may fail. Here's something useful. If you need more concurrency, you can create AWS support ticket to increase it. Alright, we go through timeout, memory, and concurrency. Let's do a quick recap. Timeout, how long your function can be run before it stopped. Memory, how much power your function has. Concurrency, how many requests can run at the same time. If you understand these 3 things, you'll be ready to build fast, reliable, and cost-friendly Lambda apps. If you find this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and leave your question in the comment below. I'll read them all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.